What's this word? Looks new to me. Mammoth. Mammoth. That's a new word. Let me see. Oh, got it. Mammoth means very big. Interesting. I had to look up for its meaning in Oxford, Cambridge, and other dictionaries. Amazing. We should all learn new words and improve our vocabulary. It would be great to have a dictionary for Indian Sign Language too. Right? But who will develop it? Oh wait, we already have one. It's called SignLearn. SignLearn is an app available for download on both iOS and Android. That's amazing and unbelievable. I downloaded it and saw it was developed by ISLRTC. Wonderful. The app is extremely easy to use. The app is free to use, requires no registration, and can be directly used. It includes words grouped into many categories like medical, legal, technical, day-to-day words, etc. You can search for any word and understand the meaning. The videos also have subtitles and voiceovers, both in Hindi and English. So this not only benefits the deaf, but also helps hearing people, be it family, siblings, friends, or anyone else. If any hearing person asks for the sign of a word, the deaf can show it to them. This will lead to better sharing of information and learning. It's beneficial. Obviously, a hearing person will not become an expert just by using the app, but their signing skills will surely improve and communication will become better. All thanks to ISLRTC for developing the SignLearn app. It can be downloaded free of cost and used without registration. Download and use it easily. Remember, SignLearn app is available on iOS and Android. Download it right away and don't wait. Use this technology to learn signs and do share it with others.